Welcome back. My life is Mathland channel. Today we will discuss about concavity. Condition 1. Concave upward. Convex. The graph bends upward. Condition f double dash of x is greater than 0. Concave downward. Concave. The graph bends downward. F double dash of x is less than 0. Point of inflation. A point where concavity changes at this point f double dash of x is equal to 0 does not exist. F double dash of x changes sign. Find the interval of concavity for a point of inflation for f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 6x square plus 5. Find the first derivative. F dash of x is equal to 4x cube minus 12x plus 5 derivation 0. So again derive f double dash of x is equal to 12x square minus 12, there is equal to 12 common x square minus 1. So x square minus 1 you can write as x minus 1 to x plus 1. Now make f double dash of x is equal to 0. So let f double dash of x is equal to 0, then 12 into x minus 1 into x plus 1 O is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. They are equal to x is equal to plus or minus 1. Here the point of inflation is minus 1 and plus 1. So in the point of inflation after it will be concavity will be changed. So f double dash of x less than 0 concave down and f double dash of x greater than 0 is concave up. In the interval minus infinity to minus 1 and 1 to infinity, it is a concave up. In between the minus 1 and 1, it is a concave down. The point of inflation plus or minus 1. Does f of x is equal to x power 1 by 3 have a point of inflation? Now you find the f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to 1 by 3 into x power 1 by 3 minus 1. There is equal to 1 by 3 into x power minus 2 by 3. F double dash of x is equal to 2 minus 2 by 9 into x power minus 2 by 3 minus 1. There is equal to minus 2 by 9 into x power minus 5 by 3. Now you make f double dash of x is equal to 0 for finding concave up and down. It is x is equal to 0. The point of inflation x is equal to 0. It is a vertical tangent will be formed. The less than 0, the function will be f double dash of x is positive. So concave up is less than 0. Concave down greater than 0. So the final conclusion x is less than 0, f double dash of x is greater than 0 upward. X is greater than 0, f double dash of x less than 0 is downward. So x is equal to 0, the point of inflection even though f double dash of 0 is undefined. It is a vertical tangent. Let's solve some objective questions. The function f of x is equal to x by e power x is strictly increasing in the interval. So strictly increasing means f dash of x is greater than 0. Let's find the first derivative. F dash of x is equal to, it is a quotient rule. So e power x whole square whole by x differentiation 1 and e power x as e power x minus x into e power x differentiation e power x. So e power x take common 1 minus x by e power x whole square. Square root e power x cancel. There is equal to 1 minus x by e power x. Now we know that it is a strictly increasing. So f dash of x is greater than 0. So 1 minus x e power x is greater than 0. E power x is always positive. So e power x is greater than 0. Then we need to make the 1 minus x is greater than 0. So 1 minus x greater than 0, 1 is greater than x. So x is less than 1. So option B is correct answer. Minus infinity to 1. Now second question. If f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 5, then f of x is a local maxima at
So we need to find the local maxima minima. First you need to find the f dash of x. Then you have to find the critical points. Means make the f of dash of x is equal to 0. Now find the f dash of x. So 6x square minus 18x plus 12. Take common 6. So x square minus 3x plus 2. So there is equal to x by x square. Make the f dash of x is equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So factorize it. X square minus 2x minus x plus 2. So after factorization, x minus 2 into x minus 1. There is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. Now we got the critical points, x is equal to 1 comma 2. Let's do the second derivative. So f double dash of x is equal to 12x minus 18. Now check the critical points. At x is equal to 1, f double dash of 1 is equal to 12 minus 18. There is equal to minus 6. So minus 6 is the less than 0. So local maxima. Now at x is equal to 2, then the value is f double dash of 2 is equal to 24 minus 18. So 6 is greater than 0. So local minima. So the correct option is at x is equal to 1 is the local maxima. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel to get more videos.